Okay, so it's as simple as this one. First, you have to understand this. The case which we were discussing, and then we talked about independent exclusive thing. So generally, we defined like this. Okay, if A and B are two independents, even A intersection B is P of A into P of B. Is that fine? Hello. Can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, if they are not independent,
But
that means occurrence of B is affected by A, or occurrence of A is affected by B, whatever be the case is. Then we write this way. Is this fine? Is this fine or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, if here we both are dependent, no?
Yeah, they are dependent. No, both are dependent. Now we cannot say who is dependent on whom, but they are interlinked. They are not independent. Okay? They are not independent. That's it. Okay? Is this fine? This is the example we did in the book. Okay? Is this fine or not? Hello.
yes, sir, it is fine.
Now, suppose we have this.
Yes, sir.
A1, A2, A4, A3 are multiple events, and some of them or all of them causes A. Okay? Okay? Then kindly tell me where is not design insert text box. What does this mean? What does this thing mean? Anyone?
Probability of happening of AK given that A has happened.
Take minute. Probability of
The probability of happening of AK given that A has happened.
yeah, or we can also say probability of AK causing A. Is that fine?
Sir,
So this theorem is also called probability of causes.
Sir, probability of AK causing A.
Yeah, because A has already happened. Now we are trying to understand if A has happened, uh, how come? What is the probability AK is causing A?
so
Sir, but A has happened after means probability of AK happening given that A has happened then
Okay, so let's not go in that thing that which is a sequential. So that you are trying to say probability of AK causing A. Okay, let's not go in that. What I try to say that probability A has happened and AK has also happened. Now, if this probability is non-zero, we can say that AK might have caused A. Though we understand by systematical models, earlier models, that AK might cause A. It is not A is a what we say. Capital A is the next event or happens after AK. AK, A1, A2, whatever the case is. Understood? No. Hello.
No, sir.
no, sir, not clear.
Okay, just think this way. That either of these events, A1, A2, A3, might cause A. Okay, A1, A2, A3, and K. Okay, ठीक है? Is that fine? Is that fine or not?
Sir, cause means can you explain with some example?
Okay, let's put this way. Let's take a building blast. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A9, A8. These are all bombs or switches. Okay, and switches with the probability that they might work properly or not. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is not guaranteed that all of them will cause it because you do not know the wiring. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now the building has fallen. The probability of building falling is also there because building can also fall due to other things like earthquake or due to bulldozer, whatever the case is. Okay? So we cannot say that building will only fall because of the switches. Okay? Building can trample itself also. So सबकी probability हुई? Everything has a probability? You are not sure? Is that fine? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now the building has fallen. Or building, so let's suppose we are trying to find if the building falls. If the building falls, what is the probability that it will fall due to switch 1, switch 2 or switch 3? A1, A2, A3 are switches. That is what we are trying to say. Suppose the building has fallen, which is A. What is the probability that it has fallen due to A1, A2, A3? Understood? इस तरह causality है.
Okay, sir.
If the building
sir.
falls, let's not say if event has happened. If the building falls,
So,
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, if the Bayes theorem is being entitled with the martingale system, so sir, will the probability will just be double every time or it will reduce?
You have to summarize Martingale system for the class.
Sir, means for every attempt the chances will get double. Means if there are 2 attempts, for the second probability it will become 4, and in the same way the progression will go on.
The point is first event is independent second or not. First tell me that. Two
Sir, it is
events-
independent.
So that's the point ना. तो यहाँ पे हम independence की बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. First thing we told in this class, if it is independent, we go by this rule. P of A into P of B.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, got it? If they are
Yes,
not,
sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
ठीक है. So please understand, so this sometimes is called probability of causes. Identifying that if A happens, then what is the probability it has happened due to AK, or it will happen due to AK. It's not that A has happened. If A happens, what is the probability it happens due to AK? समझ में आया ये?
yes, sir.
So that is why it is also called probability of causes or theorem of probability of causes. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now somebody said numerator denominator. Before that we go to, this is a new thing for you. We have done it but we did not study these terms. So if I give you a coin and I say what is the chances of head and tails, most probably you will say, sir, fair coin is there, so 50-50 होना चाहिए. The theoretical probability, that is a classical way of probability. Okay, now suppose you don't say, sir, I don't know, let's calculate it. So you do 100 times 100 trials and then you note it down. That is called a frequency probability, frequency approach probability. And another is, ना आपने experiment भी नहीं किया है, it's your gut feeling. ठीक है भाई, 40% होगा, 20% होगा. By design you see that it has some criteria. Okay, so these are the ways. Now let's put it how this works. So suppose the medicine works with a 40% on 40% people in US. Okay, and that is the frequency of growth. They tested on 100 people, 100 people, 40 people it worked upon, on 60 it did not. So you say, its efficiency is 40% in US. Now when you get into India, okay, most probably you will say 40%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here comes Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem, कौन आया? एकदम से. Somebody just came. Bayes theorem actually talks about changing the probability of hypothesis based on the evidence. Okay, the Bayes theorem talks about probability, changing the probability of hypothesis based on the evidence visited, and that is what we will talk in the video which I sent around 5-6 days back, and I asked you to read it or hear it today. Okay, so we will not go in this thing. This is a different domain. We generally in this course will work on this or on this. Okay, so but this must be known that this is a evaluating field, especially for the stock market people, where they have this, Delphi method. सुना है आपने कभी?
So Delphi method is basically about the projection of future. It used to give the futuristic data.
तो वही है ना, मतलब how many times, how much will be the futuristic data, what are the chances that this will happen, that will happen.
Yes, sir.
It's more about expert opinion rather than any database or something or any trials and errors. Okay, so that is again a subjective probability, because many a times you have to evaluate Delphi method also, evaluate or get a number and try to give it a number. Okay, so this method is there, we will not work on it, but this exists for your information. Now again same thing, अगर simple सा objective ये है, we know box is filled with red and blue. What is the probability of getting red? If you do not know the composition, you will at least have some guesswork and have a probability. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It might be wrong, but you have to start. So that is subjective probability, which will get rectified, verified, okay, altered when you do more experiment and find out. Okay. Similarly, suppose you have the information, this is the composition, then you can say this, then it's a frequency probability. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
coming to this is what we studied in the video. Directly from the video I just got this. Did everybody understand this or not? I did not write H or E, पूरा लिखा हुआ है, hypothesis, evidence. Did you understand this or not? Hello?
Sir, will it also come as 1?
Which one? Everything?
Sir, yes.
Why?
Sir, because any probability, the whole sum will come as 1. So it will be between 0 to 1 only.
Okay, what are the two events then? Then you have to understand. You say P of A plus A of A complement is 1. That's fine. But then what is A and what is A naught? And does A and A naught combine is a combination of the complete universe? ये तब होता है जब आपका जो आउटलायर्स हैं, मतलब जो आपके पॉसिबल आउटकम्स हैं, ठीक है, उसका एक सेट आपने A डिफाइन किया है और बाकी सेट A नॉट है.
Two elements will be there in a whole set.
Yeah, so that is the point. I think neither P evidence will be 1, neither P hypothesis will be 1. What will be 1 will be P evidence plus E evidence star, evidence complement. ठीक है, या तो एविडेंस मिला या तो एविडेंस नहीं मिला.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, but this will not be 1. समझ रहे हो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can understand this. Now somebody asked me, sir, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो क्या है? तो ये डिनोमिनेटर है, ओके? The person who asked me, this is a denominator. Is this fine? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now this denominator, as he said,
Yes, sir. सर इसकी एक्सटेंशन समझना है.
क्या कह रहे हो? हेलो?
इसका एक्सपेंशन समझना था.
हाँ वही मैं समझा रहा हूँ. So जो P एविडेंस है, that is again evidence intersection hypothesis and evidence not intersection not hypothesis. As simple as that, as he said.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So intersection hypothesis मतलब PE intersection hypothesis will be calculated by this one. आया समझ में?
Okay, sir.
And this one is this. Got it? Ultimately this is the point. ये A intersection B is P A start B this. Okay. Similarly here. Now this is what we were trying to talk about. So this is 1. Okay? Because P of A plus P of A bar is 1. ठीक है? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now P of A can happen, is happening. So A तो हो ही रहा है. So P of B by A
Yes, sir.
and P of B complement by A. ठीक है? This can happen two ways ना. A हुआ है, या तो B के साथ होगा या B के बिना होगा. ठीक है? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Sir, then we require to do the permutation combination here to find all the possible ways.
Therefore, okay, please remember, ये जो एग्जांपल हमने लिया था यहाँ पर डाइस वाला, there were two ways. Either you directly count the number of possible events and divide it by 2. Okay, तो 2/3 आंसर आया था ना शायद इसका. I remember.
Yes, sir.
Or you go by intersection of this way. ठीक है? So either way you do it.
Venn diagram.
हाँ, either way you do it, it comes that. ठीक है? So it's up to
Okay,
you.
sir. Okay, sir.
You have to define the sample space properly. ठीक है? Again, similar thing here. So please understand this. This can go this way, B divided by A or A divided by A, or A given B, B given A. Whatever is given, multiply that with the probability. Okay? Is that fine? और ये लोग आप सोर्स देख सकते हैं. Now this is very important. These are the names of the probabilities.
Please repeat the last slide. Your voice was not there due to some network issue.
So these, what I was trying to say, this is what we actually expanded. ये तो P alpha है, ये P alpha को expand किया गया यहाँ पर P evidence के form में. ठीक है? That is what expanded it. So we expanded that. Anyways, we are coming to this. This is very important. Terminology. It might happen that people might not give you the probability of B, probability of A, but they might say the prior probability was this, the likelihood was this, something like this. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Those who
Yes, sir.
have seen the video, I think they might understand this. This is from the video again. Therefore, sometimes it is called Bayes' theorem of posterior probability. Why it is posterior? Because you already have a probability. You hypothesize, like in this case, in the video we had, you already had pH or not,
Sir, we did.
but you rectified it after doing some analysis. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, this is your prior probability, and this is your posterior probability. Okay, so therefore understand that, and this is very important. Okay, now let's do this question. Can anybody start and I can type and start dictating what should I write?
सर ये pH क्या था सर?
pH क्या था? P hypothesis.
ओके.
मैंने पूरा एक्सपैंड किया है. Hypothesis, evidence, hypothesis. Yeah. Anybody want to try this?
So may I?
Preeti?
So no sides, I pray.
Atri.
Atri. Yes, sir. Yes,
Atri
sir.
Muni. Atri, yeah. What? Okay. No. Anyways, go ahead. Let's try it out. Yeah.
Sir, in the event of a disease happening,
1 minute. Let's go by step by step. So we call this as P of positive
yes, sir.
as capital as let's say not small p, otherwise p will become let's call it as plus. Okay, this is a plus is or a plus is fine,
Yes, sir.
and test, this is positive test. Okay, let's put it as B. Otherwise people will get confused. And positive disease or disease is there, so ठीक है, let's put it D. Now अब बताओ. हाँ. So you have a disease, probability is D, you have a positive test, you have a B. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. So what is that we have to find?
So we have to find how much population will have the disease, provided the result is positive.
So which means
So
we are
which
finding
means D slash P.
yeah. This is what we are finding.
Yes, sir.
Now this is equal to
PD, probability of disease happening, into probability of B slash D by probability of, no sir, it's completely divided. So this is right, yes. So the denominator is actually P slash B.
wait.
PB, probability of B.
Okay. Wait. What is PD?
So probability of disease happening.
What's the value?
So 1%.
And probability of B by D?
It's a 95%.
Now what is PB?
So it's 1%.
No.
No, sir. So probability. So that is this is one. This is 2% and this.
Okay, you are get it that way. So this is fine or not?
Yes, sir.
Now go ahead. Therefore the point was this. It was not direct. Yesterday also जो sample space है again उसमें थे ना some farmers could be well trained or not. Did you see the video or not yesterday?
Yes, sir. Sir, some portion I saw. I didn't understand properly actually.
चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. अब क्या होगा?
Sir, may I?
हाँ go ahead.
Sir, PB will be equal to 95 by 100 multiply 1 by 100 plus 99 by 100 into 2 by 100.
A 0.95 star
0.95 multiply 0.01 plus 0.99 plus into 0.02. Sir, and numerator will be 0.95 multiply 0.01.
हाँ तो वो तो उसने बता दिया. Everybody understood this? That we have got all values. Is this fine or not?
Yes, sir.
कितना आता है पूरा आंसर? या कितना आता है?
Sir, 95 by 293.
How much is that? Manual calculator is better.
Sir, 32.4%.
95 divided by 293.
32.4%.
So sir, the final amount will be 0.32.
So now you see, initially you were having a probability of, what was the prior probability? What is the prior probability here? Yeah. Anyone, what is the prior probability here?
9.
95%.
Yeah. What's the posterior?
32.4%.
And what is the likelihood? Anyone? Evidence by hypothesis. How much is that? What is the evidence here?
Sir, positivity.
I think this is the problem.
Sir, only the value of numerator will change.
Yeah. Okay, this is I was thinking about that there is something problematic. समझ रहे हैं? Prior probability is about the event PD. Okay? Hello.
Okay, sir.
This has increased due to likelihood. If the likelihood would be less, the probability would have decreased. But the likelihood is high, therefore the posterior probability has increased. Okay?
Yes, sir. Vice and versa, it will go and move.
अच्छा अभी रुक जाओ, अभी आप लोग इस पे those who have doubts, let's go and check.
सर इसका कोई एक्सेप्शन भी है?
पहले एक्सेप्शन से रुक जाओ. Let's
अच्छा.
get it here first of all. आप लोग कहोगे गलत बता रहा है, तो I am checking it. Yeah, read this one.
Zoom up it, it's not visible.
Not visible.
Means the fonts are too small.
नहीं वो तो मैं समझ गया नॉट विजिबल, या तो फोन पे देख रहे होगे.
नहीं सर, सिस्टम पे है.
They have used a different terminology which is used in medical testing. That's fine. But ultimately नीचे तो concept वही है ना.
Yes sir, overall the concept है.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you कि ये concept देखो इसमें इतना बड़ा article है, यहाँ से start होता है. It goes this way, then all this thing. Medical testing बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. ये भी defective item rating. There are multiple uses of this. ठीक है. So let's not go into that. What I wanted to tell you is very simple, that Mr. Bayes actually was a philosopher and he was trying to understand truth. So उनके लिए simple सा था, एक hypothesis was and hypothesis about the truth. Then there was some experiment. Then he used to re-evaluate that. Okay, and that becomes his posterior probability. Now again he used to do experiment. Now the earlier posterior probability will become his prior probability. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
In this way,
Yes,
he
sir.
used to evaluate and verify his hypothesis. And how does the probability changes? So every new evidence changes your probability, does it not? Like suppose you say placement of BHU is more than 6 lakhs. You came with this assumption, ठीक है? Now आपके सेकेंड ईयर में आपको मतलब आपके फर्स्ट ईयर में यू विल गेट सम डेटा ऑफ योर सीनियर्स, ठीक है? Now on that basis,
Yes, sir.
you will change the probability which then earlier. Either you will decrease it or you will increase it. Understood? And that probability which you have found will become the first year probability of your junior batch. And then by seeing your placement, they will change it. Okay? समझ में आ रहा है? So at the entry when you just came by faith, that is called a prior probability. The experiment or evidence is your senior's placement, and after your seniors come have been placed, the probability modification which you have done, that is called a posterior probability for you. That becomes a prior probability for your juniors. Is that fine? Hello.
As a data are interdependent.
No, that's what I'm saying. Data is interdependent. What I'm trying to say, this prior and posterior probability keep on changing. मतलब new data will come, new probability will come.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, please understand. जो मैंने सुबह वीडियो भेजा है, just try to understand that also. It's very intuitive. It's not that we are always applying it. We are applying it by default, with or without mathematics. And therefore, yesterday also, the video I gave them, it just talked about irrational. याद है? The person said it is very irrational to think that the person who is organized is a librarian. वो पूरा वीडियो देखा नहीं देखा था? जिसने देखा होगा उसको समझ में आया होगा कि if we say librarian is well dressed and well organized, does that mean the person will be who is organized is a librarian? That was a simple question, and that is all is going on. And those who want to go in this field, there is something called Bayesian statistics, chapter 17 of V5, that is there more in detail, but course wise this is good enough. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So now we will move to next thing next time. अभी आज के लिए इतना बहुत है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And by default, any questions?